Now understand the next truth. The digestion system you are having physically is the most beautiful, most complex, most wonderful, greatest, most powerful digestion system in the whole universe, not just comparing with all the animals and other species, because only the human digestion system, the digestion system you are having in the human body, is capable of digesting your muscle memory, biomemory, karmas. Listen. The food inside your stomach can be considered as a physical karma. Memories in your muscle memory based on your habits, patterns, that can be called as muscle memory. Memories in your biomemory, which forms your obsessive compulsive reactionary patterns. Your compulsory reactionary behavior, which is deeper than your day-to-day habits, that is called biomemory. Now, let me repeat. Only the digestion system human beings have is capable of digesting not just physical food you eat, it is capable of digesting even your muscle memories, biomemories, and the very karmas your consciousness, individual self carries when you enter this life. This is direct revelation from Paramashiva. Please listen intensely. One by one, internalize. If you apply these great sutras, you can achieve great understandings and manifest powers. Listen, if you apply these sutras, you will understand many great truths our ancient Hindu rishis have nicely intertwined, added into our life. Once I asked Isaki Swamigal, he is a very poor eater. Almost once a month, very rarely twice a month, maybe once in a year, like more than 2-3 times in a month. So totally, if you count whole year, he would not have eaten more than 20 times. Whole 365 days, maximum 20 times only he would have eaten. That kind of a siddha. That kind of a personality. I asked him once, he was telling somebody that do this vrata. He was guiding somebody with the naga dosha. A karma comes by killing a snake, which is embodied divinity. Many times the snakes in the temple, in the great spiritual places, or like great siddhas, great evolved beings come in a snake body and continue their tapas. That kind of a snake, by mistake, knowingly or unknowingly, if you kill, that brings naga dosha. So somebody with a naga dosha, he was guiding that person to do certain fasting for Rahu and Ketu. I thought fasting will help the body. How can that clear certain karma? So I asked him. He had an old radio. My father's mother is like a radio addicted. Even in my house, there was a radio. She will switch on that radio and she doesn't know how to switch it off. And she doesn't want to learn how to switch it off. She wants the radio to be on almost 24/7. She will switch it on. Those days, only that one Tamil channel will be there, All India Radio. And it will not be 24/7. It will be few hours. But even after that, she will not switch it off. And it will be like a going. But she is okay with that sound, but she will not switch it off. She doesn't want to miss even one program by mistake. She is like a radio addict. And same way when she comes to Isaki Swami's ashram also, she will switch on that old radio. And sometimes it will not be loud enough. So she will take that, it used to be like this size. She will take that and keep it on a small table and put her ears near that and going on listening. And when I asked this question, and Isaki Swami slowly tried to explain, he used to speak very mild voice and only few words. So I had to be very attentive to hear. So I was literally sitting like this, putting my hand in the front and leaning towards him and sincerely asking and listening. He was uttering just one or two words. And this my grandmother sitting behind and that with her radio, which is not loud, but she was so attentive on her radio. Even that mild sound of that radio, I felt is disturbance for me to hear Isaki Swami's instruction. So I shouted at her, Pati, and the radio nirtha. She shouted back at me, Ni vaya mudra. I told her, you stop the radio, I have to hear what Swamiji is telling me. She screamed and said, you keep quiet and allow me to hear my radio. She's very sweet. So Isaki Swami never mistakes. She used to serve him and she's like a workaholic serving him. Only this little radio addiction and she's sweet. And it's not that she's not spiritual. Very spiritual, and some mood she will get into that radio. And so Isaki Swami did not get angry. He started smiling. And but one nice thing, Isaki Swami just waved his hand and that radio got switched off. That radio is literally, it is living in his room now. So naturally that all the equipment gets tuned to them. All the frequency equipment, the Stavara, Jangama, animate, inanimate, all objects, they just get tuned because of their intense presence. So he just waved the hand and that radio got put off. He smiled at me and said, Tambi, he's from Saivavalalar family. The Isakki Mariamman is the Kuladevata of Saiva Velalar community. That's why he is given that Kuladevata name Isakki. So usually they call, even the kids, they call like Thambi, Appa. That's why they will address. So he said, Thambi, the radio பாடுச்சா? எப்படி பாடுச்சு? அந்த சவுண்டு அது வந்து அதிர்வலை மாதிரி எங்க இருந்தோ வருது. இந்த ரேடியோ அதை உள்வாங்கி பாடுது. இப்ப நான் அதை நிறுத்திட்டேன். இந்த அலை இல்லாம போயிரல. ஆனா அந்த ரேடியோ அதை உள்வாங்கி பாடுறத இல்லாம ஆயிருச்சு. அதே மாதிரி நாகதோஷம் ஒரு அலை மாதிரி இருக்கும். அந்த நாகதோஷத்தை உன் உடம்பு உள்வாங்கி அந்த வேதனையை படுறதுக்கான சமாச்சாரம் உனக்குள்ள இருக்கு. அதை சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டா போதும், நாகதோஷம் உன்னை பாதிக்காது. நாகதோஷத்தையே நாம ஒன்றும் பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. அதை உள்வாங்கி உன் உடம்புக்குள்ள நாகதோஷத்தை மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் பண்றத சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டா போதும். அதுதான் அந்த விரதம் பண்ணும். அதனாலதான் விரதத்துக்கு கர்மத்தை அழிக்கிற சக்தி உண்டுன்னு சொல்றேன் தம்பி அப்படின்னாரு. I'll translate now. Listen. He switched off the radio and he said very beautifully, see how that radio works. That sound waves are there. The radio receives that waves and sings or makes the voice, volume, noise, whatever it is. If we stop the radio, it's not that the sound waves disappear, but that radio stops receiving and making the noise, making the sound. Same way, when you do fasting, the biomemory, muscle memory which is inside you, which attracts karmas and makes those karmas manifest ill effects, bad things in your life, that gets stopped, disconnected. Listen. It is such a simple village way of explaining. He said, when the radio is switched off, it's not that the waves are not there, but the radio is not picking up that wave anymore and making noise. Same way, in your body, if you remove the biomemory, muscle memory, which attracts these nagadosha karmas from cosmos and manifests as suffering and pain, if we just remove the biomemory and muscle memory, you are free from that karma and free from that dosha. I tell you, Krishna says beautifully in the Gita, Svalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Even if you practice little bit of this dharma, great mountainous sufferings will melt down and disappear. This is the secret. Just few days. Of fasting, that person burns away the biomemory, muscle memory, which attracts the ill effects of nagadosha from cosmos and manifests pain and sufferings in his body. That is the way he is relieved from nagadosha itself, karma itself. Then I asked him, you bless me that I should not have any dosha in my life. He just put his hand on my head and said, உனக்கு என்னடா தோஷம் இருக்கு, உனக்கு சந்தோஷம் தவிர வேற ஒரு தோஷமும் இல்லடா. You blessed other than the santosha, bliss and happiness, you will not have any dosha. Listen. Now understand this principle which I am trying to explain. You have amazing digestion system. Even if you are fat, even if you are medically diagnosed with digestion problems, your digestion system is amazing. Don't worry. Your quality to digest is more than enough. Even if you are not able to digest large quantities, to digest your karma. Let me repeat. Your quality, ability to digest is enough to digest your biomemories and muscle memories, even if you are not able to digest large quantity of food in your stomach. See, when you are not able to digest large quantity of food, that is when you become fat and obese, all the other sicknesses, diseases related to digestion starts. Your health deteriorates. Even that kind of a body is capable of digesting your biomemories and muscle memories. Listen. Now the points I am making, truths one by one,